Yeah, all quite wet and fresh. These are beaver tracks from the European beaver. The tree is budding, it's very fresh. Here you have the waste, and the beaver is very popular and famous in Europe for being an ecosystem engineering because he chops down trees. The only mammal, I think, beside elephant or rhino who can chop down trees. And yeah, and he likes to build dams and he likes to flood areas, and many people get arguing with the beavers because they flood fields and so on, but in the natural ecosystem it's very helpful and important to have big water bodies who are quiet and who are retained in the landscape, to have some water reservoirs. And for some reason, I don't know, the beaver got introduced to Argentina or also Southern America and are causing big issues there. It's an invasive species there, and yeah, and I remember we had discussed it in issues in conservation, and yeah, otherwise the beaver, you can see the pathways, they use all this the same way, and yeah, and here in Europe it's very good for nature conservation, but bad for some people, for the farmer, but yeah, it's highly regarded, highly respected, and it's the biggest rodent. It's 1 meter long, 1 meter, and that's why you can measure the highest point a beaver can reach is about 1 meter. Yeah, alright, and the tracks are in hourglass shape, yeah. Alright, that's all I wanted to say about the beaver for